x squared, minus 7x equals 0. So basically, it might look scary, but don't worry. Let's break it down. Before we can do anything, we ask, is one side of the equation equal to 0? Yes, absolutely. It already says equals to 0. So the next step is, can we factor the left side? Oh, it happened to 0. The left side of our equation. So what do both parts have in common? So we see two terms. The first term is x squared, which is x times x. And the second term is negative 7x, which is negative 7 times x. Do they both have an x in them? The answer is yes. So we pull out x like pulling out a common toy from a toy box. This is called factoring. So let's write the left side using that common x. So we have x times x minus 7 equals 0. Because x times x, that is x squared. X times negative 7, that is going to be negative 7x. Now we have this particular format. Time for our rule, the ZPP. It says if something times something equals 0, then one of them must be 0. So it's basically just splitting them up. So we have x, okay? We have x that is equal to 0. And then x minus 7, this part, that is also equal to 0. So one of the solution is 0, and the other one, we have to find the x, okay? We have to isolate the x. So basically, we have to add 7 both sides. So adding 7 both sides, this will cancel out, and then the remaining would be x equals 0 plus 7. That's going to be 7. And that is another solution. Okay, so we want to get x by itself, so we add both sides, and that's it. We did it. The two solutions are x equals 0 and x equals 7. That means x can be 0 or 7, and this equation will still work.